Elon Musk talks about 7-8 years ago, the fact that the moment you take a key of a new Tesla car, and when you turn on the engine, the value of the car increases. And people thought he was a bit crazy. And here's what he said: every 40 to 60 days, software gets upgraded onto the Tesla car, and the capability of the Tesla car increases. Better sound system, better navigation system, better use of battery and energy. And therefore, in his view, if capability of the car increases, the value of the car increases. That's the new world of tech that we lived in. And so there is this whole challenge around how do such companies, such tech companies traditionally, probably hundreds of years in existence, how do they then transform to a digital industrial company?